Racing Factory is a private racing team from the city of Bukit Tinggi, who participated in the first round of the Sumatran Regional Motoprix Championship in Riau. Gon Raya Racing Factory is a private team fully sponsored by Gon Raya Lamo Restaurant. Has been beginning. Today is the day of determination. Who survives until the last lap, who is the fastest, and becomes the champion. Great teams from all over the province of the island of Sumatra are competing in this championship. In this first series we have tried our best in all aspects, but we haven't gotten the best results. In the next series we will try to give our best. We are not just a team, but we are family.